The day the numbers stopped making sense. The news broke at 4:37 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. A single number appeared on every screen on Earth. $1 trillion. One man. The world had seen rich people before. It had never seen this. In the Oval Office, the President of the United States was halfway through his morning coffee when the Chief of Staff walked in without knocking. That never happened. The Chief of Staff did not speak. He simply held up a tablet. The President read the number. He set down his coffee. He did not pick it up again. For a long moment, the most powerful man in the free world stared at the wall. And the wall offered no answers. A thought formed in his mind, unspoken but visible in the slump of his shoulders. America had spent 2 centuries building the largest economy on Earth. A single citizen had just surpassed the GDP of Spain. What did the word superpower even mean anymore?